G'day and welcome back to the channel. I'm Nick and today we're going to talk about solar charging the King's power packs, specifically the 12 amp hour and 24 amp hour packs. I do believe that their latest 36 amp hour pack, the larger one, does support solar charging, whereas the smaller ones seem to not support solar charging as much. I know Kings do have a 70 watt solar panel that can charge into the DC port of these smaller Kings packs, but today I'm going to show you how I use a solar blanket or any 12 volt solar panel to charge this pack. Pretty simple, just a few components. I do have another video of me fast charging this using an MPPT charger through the cigarette lighter port here, and then I can charge it that way. I can get up to 120 watts into this and charge this within like 3 hours. But stick around, I'll put that up at the end of the video if you wanted to check that video out. But today I'm just going to show you how I can hook a solar panel up to charge through the USB-C port of the King's power packs. It isn't a very quick charge. Maximum I could get off through the USB-C is around 40 watts, so it's by no means a very quick charge, but it will work while you're out on camp. If you've got a small solar panel, you can keep this topped up using this method. We'll have a bit more of a look at the accessories in this solar panel a little later on, but essentially what I use is from the solar panel. I've just got this adapter that I've made up. You can buy similar adapters or you can make your own up if you want. This is just an idea how I do it, so it can give you an idea of what to do yourself. So I use a cigarette barrel port which I can essentially plug into the solar panel, and then from there I can use just a normal generic charger, USB-C charger. This is only a cheapie, an Anko one, so the maximum I can get out of this is 30 watts anyway. So you could upgrade this charger and get a little bit more power into this, but for this unit and for this demonstration I'm only going to be able to get 30 watts into this at the most with this charger. I have this adapter that it came with my Blue Eddy AC50B, I think it was. So I'm going to use this today, but you can make up your own, like I said, or you can sort of buy cigarette barrel ports with various ends on them and plugs. So yeah, let's get into it. We'll have a look at what's in the panel, what came with it, and then I'll show you it's all set up and get this thing charging. Still got 3 bars, but yeah, we'll show you how it all works. Alright, so this panel here is just a cheapie on eBay. This panel, you can't find these eco-worthies much anymore. I have had a bit of a look, but they're all pretty much the same, just different branding, you know. It did come with a little PWM charge controller. We won't really need that at the moment, but it did come with some various plugs here, carabiners, so we can use them up to make our little various plugs if we need to, and a pretty decent couple meter cord as well, so enough for what we need anyway. I'll find a nice sunny spot somewhere and I'll show you how this all works. Alright, found a little bit of sun around the side of the house here, which is good. Got our cable. I'm pretty sure you can buy adapters that will just plug directly into that size sort of cable. Just have a look on eBay, Amazon, stuff like that. But we'll plug this in. I'll need the adapter for mine because I use XT60s for a lot of my stuff. I'm going to plug in a watt meter just so we can see how much is going into the pack. It looks like we're producing 22.4 volts at the moment. Plug in my adapter. Forgot to bring me little charger with me, but I've got it now. Plug this in. And alright, I'll set this up a bit better so you can see it. Plug that in. Plug this in. And it looks like the lights are on. I'll move that out of in the corner there. And we are getting, excuse me, 29.4 watts, which is pretty much the maximum that we're going to get out of this charger. If I had upgraded this charger to a little bit of a stronger one, we'd probably get around 40 watts or so, which is the maximum that this King's unit is going to take. So yeah, unfortunately these King's units won't take much more than that going into the USB-C port, but this will work. And if we get a full day sun, a good 5 hours or more of full sun, we can easily get 150 watt hours into this pack, which will, give it a good half charge. If you're just using a 12 amp hour pack, you'll get pretty much a full charge every day using this setup. So I think this is a good little solution for someone, or for anyone. I do have a lot of questions asking them about charging these things up using solar, so this is a little solution. Very easy and cheap. It's about 10 or 15 bucks for a little charge like that. You probably pick up an adapter like this for probably the same, and you're good to go. This will work with any 12 volt panel. You don't have to have a folding panel. This will work for like a solid panel as well. You would want to get a panel that's obviously over 40 watts or more. So I'd recommend, at least 50 watts to 100 watts will suit something like this, just to give yourself a bit of a buffer. And yeah, I hope you found this interesting. Hope this has helped someone out. I hope this has helped you out. And yeah, give us a like. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.